Talia, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tea. Today we're going to be making some peanut butter chocolate milkshakes. Now, well, you can use any kind of ice cream you like if you're thinking, well, Talia, we don't have that kind of ice cream, but we have like strawberry. Yeah, you can use that kind. We're just using the kind my dad made. Now, let's get started as I'm always going to say for the rest of my channel. Please smash that subscribe button and like to our channel because that would really help us with my career, at least. As you all know, I have my trusty helper, Daddy. So let's get right into the ingredients, I guess, now. Or not just the ingredients, the things you'll need.
Okay, what are we going to need?
You're going to need some milk.
All right, it's a milkshake. What else?
A measuring cup.
Okay. The main ingredient?
A scooper. Now some ice cream. You're going to need a blender. This is part of the blender.
And to top it off?
To top it off, some whipped cream, and you're going to need some cups. Now, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you're going to need to pour your milk.
How much you pouring?
Half cup. So this is a half cup of milk right here.
How many servings is that going to make?
2. That should make 2 servings. Okay. It looks like a little serving, but it's 2 servings, guys. 2 servings.
Why don't you pour that milk in the blender?
I will pour that in the blender. See, guys? That's a lot of milk.
And how many scoops of ice cream do we need?
We need 8 scoops of ice cream because we're making 2 servings, right?
That's right.
So before you get your ice cream, you're probably going to want to heat it up so it's easier to scoop, honestly. This is hard work. We have our ice cream in there. Now we can mix it all up. Now I'm going to put together my blender. The first thing you need to do is you're going to put your lid on the blender. Why? It's because it could splatter everywhere. So you want to get it on nice and tight. Ugh, that's not good. Now, I can get this right there, and I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to turn it on.
Hold the top as you...
Okay, how do I turn it on?
Just press one of the buttons.
Okay,
what are you going to press?
Puree?
Start with stir. I would start with stir.
Keep it down. Top. Mix. Puree. And liquefy. Now we turn it off.
All right, once you grab a spoon and check to see how good it is.
That is my specialty. That's my specialty. This is hard to get off. This lid is like a killer. Every time I touch with the blender, it's just, the lid has been killer.
All right, so check it. See if it's the right consistency. Do we need to add any more ice cream?
Nope.
Is it too liquidy or is it liquidy enough?
It's liquidy enough. You still get some ice cream chunks in there.
Okay. All right.
That's perfect.
So what next?
Pour them into cups.
All right, let's do it.
I'll put this in here. It's good. So, how much should I fill up the cups?
Maybe just half and half. It's 2 servings, right?
Yep. This is my cup, I guess. Okay. That's good, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if we're going to have to make some more.
So what could you do if you wanted a thicker milkshake?
Could put more ice cream in it.
Yeah, that's right.
No, this is definitely not even, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of mine. This one. Huh? This is good. Now to top it all off, you know what it's time for? Ice. It's not ice cream. Why was I gonna say that? Whipped cream.
That's probably good.
Now for who the extra cup was for. My little brother, Noah.
Say hi, Noah.
And I'm really excited to be eating this.
He is. No,
All right. How does it taste?
we haven't even tried it yet.
Yeah.
So,
All right. What's the verdict?
awesome.
It's really good.
I love it. I think we're both in love.
Yeah.
So until next time, guys, bye, and I love you, and we will see you next time on Cooking with Tea.
I love it.